Today, students, earlier we have done the origin and development of Bengal School of Art, and now today I am going to start with features of Bengal School of Art. What are the main features of Bengal School of Art? Um, in Bengal School, they were according to the Bengal School, because Bengal belongs to India, so it was based on Indian tradition. As I told you in the origin of Bengal School, that it was made by Britishers. The organizer of that school was Britishers, but the painters, mostly the painters, were Indians. So they started with Indian tradition. The Bengal school is fully based on Indian traditional style, as the subject matter of this school is based on Indian culture. So it's mean ki the paintings they've made only are done of the Indian characters, like Mahakali's, Shiv, Parvati, Krishna, and Gopis, etc. They were only from Indian based paintings. After that, the influence they basically influenced by the Ajanta paintings. You can see they, because that the Britishers like the work of Ajanta. As earlier I told you, Lady Haringam was the lady who told them to draw the paintings from on the Ajanta paintings. So Nandlal Bose and Abindranath Tagore were the painters who draw the paintings about on the Ajanta paintings. So this is the example of the painting, the Padma Pani from Ajanta caves. These are the two paintings, same painting. One left part of the painting is from the cave, Ajanta cave, and the right part of the is the painting that was done by Nandlal Bose. After that, next was softness and rhythm in the figure. Softness and rhythm means you paintings, the paintings were very graceful and very delicate, and they were really soft. Colors were very soft. They use eyes expressions very gently presented in these paintings of Bengal school. Next, the colorful color schemes. Basically, they use the tempera colors, and colors were really very attractive. But the technique they used was wash technique, which was introduced by ओए मैं कह तो रही हूँ वो बालकनी में होगा. यार ये ज़रा सा ना टीवी अंदर, ये दरवाज़ा बंद करो, मेरी वीडियो पहले ही इंटरप्ट हो गई है। वो आपकी वजह से। Hello students, in previous class I told you about the origin and development of Bengal School of Art, and today I am going to tell you about the features of Bengal School of Arts. What were the features of that school? So exactly these are some of the paintings that done by Bengal painters. बंगाल स्कूल का बेसिकली फर्स्ट क्या था, इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन इंडियन ट्रेडिशंस. इंडियन ट्रेडिशंस मीन्स द पेंटिंग वर मेड ऑन द इंडियन करेक्टर्स और इंडियन ट्रेडिशंस ओनली. द बंगाल स्कूल इज फुली बेस्ड ऑन इंडियन ट्रेडिशन स्टाइल. एज द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ दिस स्कूल इज बेस्ड ऑन इंडियन कल्चर. The paintings based on Indian theme like Mahakali, Shiv, Parvati, Krishna and Gopis, etc. This was the painting Shiv and Parvati, which was done by Nandlal Bose. This is very beautiful painting, and you can see what kind of colors they have used. After that, influence of Ajanta paintings. Mostly the paintings done by the Bengal school was based on the Ajanta paintings. You have heard about Ajanta caves and Bagh caves. So these are the paintings that done by Nandlal Bose and Abanindranath Tagore was from Ajanta caves. Now this is the example for that Padma Pani from Ajanta caves. So in the left side you can see this is the cave scene, and on the right side this painting is copied by Nandlal Bose. This painting he does this painting when Lady Haringam from London told him to make this. After that, softness and rhythm and figures means the painting, the figure work, the features, the facial expressions were so delicate, so light, so pure, which was really attract to everyone. After that, the beautiful color scheme. In the color scheme, Bengal school are very attractive. They were previous school we read that they were using tempera and watercolors, but in this they used wash technique, which was introduced by Abanindranath Tagore from Japan. This technique was taken from Japan, and basically the paintings were very light and bright colors. They don't use bright colors like the painting have you seen Journeys and Ras Leela. After that, linear delicacy. The lines in Bengal school resemble the Ajanta paintings. Lines are delicate and rhythmic. Means जो lines थी वो bold नहीं होती थी, बहुत ही thin lines होती थी. Because wash technique में sometimes what happen कि when you use wash technique तो जो paintings होती हैं उसमें lines अक्सर mix हो जाती हैं. After that, lights and shade. The softness in the painting of Bengal school is due to its quality of brilliant light and shade. इसमें जो paintings होती थी, they used mostly light and very sober colors in these paintings. Impressive and Indian subject matter. Means क्या था, the subject matter of Bengal school is very impressive and the Indian character. Themes used are historical, religious, literary, etc. This painting, Sati painting, was done by Nandlal Bose, which was based on Indian culture. We know that there was Sati Pratha in our country, so to demolish, to finish that kind of ritual, he made the painting on Sati. After that, impact of Mughal and Rajasthani school, we can see that in Bengal school, basically the paintings were done by we can see the impact of Mughal and Rajasthani paintings. Like Radhika is the painting in which we can see the Rajasthani school. This was the over. This is the last point over, and You just make it note it down. It will really helpful for you. Okay, thank you.